Hey everyone, Carl here. Welcome to today's vlog, and in today's episode we are going to unbox the Jordan 5 Off-White sale. If you're excited like I am, let's go. By the way, to help this channel out, please do give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this sneaker in the comment section down below. Okay, so before we get to the quick unboxing of this shoe, just a quick note, the Jordan 5 is one of my favorite sneakers because it was the first Jordan that I ever owned. So it was a Jordan that was given to me by my mom when I was much younger than I am today, and that kind of stuck with me, at least the memory of that particular shoe. So when I first bought like a Jordan 5 when I was a little bit older, I remember that shoe. And that's why when they came out with this, which is the Off-White Jordan 5 in this like dark shade, I just couldn't resist and I decided to pick one up, especially since I'm a huge fan of Off-White and Virgil Abloh. As you guys can see, I cut out the holes. Some people are actually triggered by the fact that I did that, especially hypebeasts and resellers, but I don't care. It's my shoe. Okay? So with that said, let's set the sneaker aside and get to the shoe that I'm going to unbox for you today. Now this isn't in my size because this belongs to my friend, but he did send it over just for me to unbox it for you guys today. This is the new Jordan 5 Off-White in the sale color. So this was originally teased by Virgil Abloh. I think the same time around this shoe came out, if I'm not mistaken. Posted it on Instagram. A lot of people fell in love with it and hype was building for it. And now we have it here. This is a size 9. So lahat ng mga size 9 dyan, kaway-kaway. And then if you pop the box open, we have the tissue paper, which says Off-White, Off-White, Off-White. And then ba-bam! Guys, take a look at that shoe. And first impressions ko pa lang while looking at it, it's more butter than it is sail. It reminds me of the Yeezy 350 Boost Butter. I don't know if you guys remember that shoe when it came out. The shade of yellow on this one reminds me a whole lot of that shoe. But anyway, let's go over the details. Of course, the most striking detail is the sail yellow color that you have for the upper. It actually comes in 3 tones. The lightest shade is this part. Then you have a darker shade over here in the middle. And then your darkest cheese-like almost yellow can be found here on the eye stays. You have that familiar teeth section over here near the midsole, which is supposed to be inspired, according to Tinker Hatfield, the guy who designed the Jordan 5, by jet airplanes in the previous world wars. And they would have this sign or teeth along the edges of the plane. You have the reflective Jumpman logo, of course, over here at the tongue tab. You have the Nike Air logo here at the back, and you have the yellowish zip tie over here as well. By the way, when you guys wear your Off-White shoes, do you wear the zip ties? I personally, 90% of the time do not. But let me know what you guys think. Do you wear it with this or you don't wear it with that one? The same color, by the way, can be also found on, is this like a lace guard? I don't know what you call this, or a lace lock system, but that's what you can find over here. Now, in terms of my initial impressions or what I think about the shoe, I am surprised with how much yellow it is compared to the photos. I mean in hand, it just looks really buttery yellow more than anything else. But would I buy one? Would I want to have one? Of course, I'd love to have one in my collection since I am a Jordan 5 fan. But I'm not used to wearing yellow shoes, so so I think I'll have to figure out or have to be a little bit more intentional with how I will dress myself up if I were to pick up a pair of this one. Now, apart from the 2 shoes that are in the box, it also comes with extra laces. So to those who are wondering, you do have the option of going with the yellow butter sail laces, or you can switch it out to the black laces or the red laces. Personally, I'd probably keep it with either the yellow or probably the black. Not too sure about the red. How about you? Which color would you guys rock this one if you had it in your, well, shoe closet? So yeah, this is Jordan 5 Off-White. And by the way, a quick shout out to Titan, not because they sent me a pair or they don't do that, but I'm just so happy that they are now they've been bringing in so many great sneakers and making it available via raffle to Filipinos here. The access alone is something that's so awesome, and yeah, I just want to give a quick shout out to the folks over at Titan. Now, before we end this quick unboxing vlog, I just have one more item that I want to unbox for you. This is an art toy by a local designer. Her name is Klaris. So this is called the Off-White Lady. So she is a Filipina. She does a statue or a toy design that's inspired by Off-White, and it just looks really cool. So this is like a Halloween version of her art toy that was auctioned off a couple of, I don't know if it was 2 weeks ago or a couple of weeks back, but I won the auction and I want to unbox it for you guys today. So as you guys can see, it says over here, Klaris Artworks. And if we pop the lid open, it's the first time I'm going to see it. Here we have it. This is the Off-White Lady, the Halloween version. So you have some sort of like black and orange stripe for the body. I think this is like 9 inches tall. The hair is forward, kind of like the Sadako thing going on. And what's interesting about the Off-White Lady is that she usually wears Yeezys. So if you take a look over here, it looks like she's wearing like some sort of like triple black Yeezy Boost 350 sneaker. And yeah, it's signed by Klaris at the bottom of the shoes. I'm a huge fan of Filipino toy designers, and Klaris is currently one of my favorite ones. So definitely will be happy to add this on in my toy shelf over at my YouTube studio. So yeah, just wanted to unbox it with you guys today. And that wraps up this very quick vlog for today, guys. Hit the like button, give a subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the Off-White Jordan 5 sale in the comment section. I hope you guys are all okay. I hope you guys are all blessed and fine. If you were hit by the storm, please do know that you are in my prayers. And if you guys want to help out, I will list down below a couple of organizations that you might want to support. This is Carlos signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.